6 mind-blowing reasons why people invest into OnlyFans.
Today, we're plunging into the mysterious realm of OnlyFans, unveiling the secret motivations that lead people to invest in some spicy content. Get ready for a wild ride as we peel back the layers and spice up our insights, giving you the sex reasons individuals choose to invest in the paid adult content world. Chapter 1. Dopamine hooks and anticipation. Get ready to be mind-blown by reason number 1, the jaw-dropping roller coaster of anticipation. OnlyFans isn't just your average Joe content hub, it's a full-fledged dopamine carnival. They've mastered the art of sneakily hooking us with dopamine, and they call it gated content. Now, gated content isn't just some fancy internet term, it's the VIP section of the online realm. Think of it as the velvet rope, and OnlyFans is the exclusive nightclub of mystery. Our super-secret user engagement data spills the beans like a digital treasure hunt. Subscribers practically turn into Sherlock Holmes, deciphering clues to unlock hidden wonders. It's the adult version of hunting for buried treasure, and guess what? Studies say this delayed gratification adds the perfect spice to the user experience. OnlyFans, you sly fox, keep us on our toes and our dopamine levels soaring. Chapter 2. Live cam sites and interactive jazz. All right, buckle up for the live cam extravaganza in point number 2. Forget your grandma's static adult content. We're discussing a digital circus with features like keno boards and roulette wheels. According to our trusty data, it's not just adult entertainment, it's adult entertainment on steroids. Imagine spinning the wheel of unpredictability, not knowing if you'll land on a sizzling dance or a spicy dare. Our numbers spill the beans. This unconventional digital carnival isn't just keeping users hooked. It's practically handing out golden tickets for an immersive experience. Who knew adult content could turn into a game show? Get ready for the surprise of a lifetime, or at least until the next spin. Chapter 3. Recognition, Intimacy, and Community Shenanigans. Get ready for Point 3's T-explosion: recognition, intimacy, and community shenanigans. OnlyFans creators aren't your distant stars, they're practically your virtual BFFs. Brace yourselves as our stats spill the beans on creators diving into the depths of audience engagement, creating an intimacy so thick you could cut it with a digital knife. It's not your grandma's content hub, it's a wild ride of community-driven antics. Imagine a roller coaster, but instead of loops and twists, it's filled with creators sending you good morning texts and sharing their deepest secrets. The data whispers the tale of OnlyFans, where it's not just a platform, it's a virtual roller coaster of experiences, complete with loop-de-loops of recognition and drops of digital intimacy. Who said adult content couldn't be a heartwarming journey? Chapter 4. Guaranteed acceptance and effortless connections. Buckle up for point number 4, where we unravel the secrets of guaranteed acceptance. Tired of the dating dance and the endless quest for connection? Well, OnlyFans is here to offer you a shortcut, my friends. Our data expose spills the beans on subscribers loving the VIP treatment of easy acceptance. Picture this. You're strolling past the line in the dating world, waving at rejection like it's your distant cousin. Pay a fee and Tata connections made easy, no small talk required. It's like having a golden ticket to the world of effortless friendships where acceptance is the hottest commodity in town. Who knew making connections could be as simple as ordering takeout? Cheers to the smooth operators of socializing. Chapter 5. Empowering personal growth versus comfort zone. Adventures. All right, folks, grab your personal development helmets because we're diving into point number 5. OnlyFans, the self-proclaimed guru of guaranteed acceptance and comfort-first vibes is the new Tony Robbins of the adult content universe. Our data detective work uncovered that users are swapping personal growth for a cozy comfort zone. It's like choosing a bubble bath over a mountain climb. Because who needs challenges when you can have instant satisfaction delivered to your doorstep? So, is OnlyFans the key to a life of perpetual chillaxing, or are we missing out on the wild roller coaster of personal development? Let's take a sarcastic stroll down the road of guaranteed acceptance and see where it leads us, probably to a land of comfy couches and missed life lessons. Cheers to the couch potatoes of personal growth. Chapter 6: Exclusive Content and Tailored Experiences. Let's wrap it up with the grand finale, the sizzling allure of exclusive content. It's not just adult entertainment, it's a VIP experience hotter than a jalapeno in a sauna. Our data dance spilled the tea, and there's a wild demand for personalized experiences on OnlyFans. Creators are basically the rock stars of the adult content world, offering custom content and one-on-one interactions like they're running an exclusive nightclub. Move over, vanilla platforms. OnlyFans serves a personalized, spicy menu, and users are emptying their pockets faster than you can say exclusive. Who knew adult content could be this bougie and spicy? It's not just X-rated, it's extra fabulous.